Dan.
Hello.
Did it just say hello?
Hello.
Ask who's a pretty birdie.
Who's a pretty birdie? Who's a pretty birdie? You pretty birdie. Hello. What did it say?
I think it's just noises.
Hello. Hello.
I think it's just making noises now. There we go. It just whistled.
Do it again, Kerry. You do it. No, that's chirping. There we go. That's so cool. I want to have it now.
I can get said to you, okay?
Oh.
But why is it upside down though?
They're really silly parrots. I'm pretty sure they can learn 150 words if I remember right.
Probably more if given the chance.
Yeah.
It just said, come on.
I love how he's just walking upside down. Yeah. When kept as pets, they can pick up the words and sentences from their owners. They're amazing birds, man. Oh, I think he just said something else. Or it's still talking on its own.